Hello, hi, and welcome to the world of A1 Bubblebox. Now, I'm part of a lot of sites, I really am. I'm an affiliate, I'm a partner, I'm everything, and I'm not, realistically, so, in all honesty. So, this is an affiliate link, just so everyone understands this. I'm not telling anybody, just so everyone understands this. So, I'm perfectly clear, and I'm not breaking any community guidelines. It's a link to my affiliate, which is part of A1 Bubblebox, which is part of Blender. So if you want to go and take a look at my content, you can by all means go ahead and do so if you want to. As I said, I'm not sending anybody anywhere. Now, it's not an affiliate link for children, it's an affiliate link for bigger people, basically. That's what I'm going to use. I'm not going to use the word adult because it sounds inappropriate. So I will say for older people, elder people, however you're looking at it. Anyway, this is just basically my introduction. It's a 3D text with a 3D cube on the screen. Now, I like the cube because you can do a lot with that cube, and not only that, I like the pattern of it. So yeah, so that's how I look at it. So of course you can twist it around, bend it, and shape it. And then all my 3D content, every single last part of it, doesn't matter what it is, whether it's text on the screen, as I said, whatever it is, whatever I'm offering you is absolutely 110%, just so everyone is aware of that. Obviously, there's no restrictions, no copyright on my 3D content. You can just click it, download it, and use it in any which way, shape, or form you like. And like I tell you, go to the object if you want to. Don't matter if it's a download, don't matter if it's a link. Go and take a look at it. And of course, if you're interested, then carry on with it. If you're not interested, then of course, don't even bother with it. It's as simple as that. Anyway, this is A1 Bubblebox, just to let everybody know, especially my partners or anyone else who wants to know, that I'm not sending anybody anywhere. I'm not breaking no community guidelines. I'm just saying my content, my links for my stuff. That's what I'm offering. That's what I'm telling you. Okay, so it's a Blender website and it's a Blender affiliate program. That's what that is. If you want to know more about it, you have to go to the link and you have to find out more about it from Blender itself. It's entirely up to you. Okay, everybody has an affiliate program, more or less. They have some kind of partnership or whatever you want to call it. It doesn't really matter how you call it. Like when someone says, "Oh, what's actually an affiliate?" Realistically, it's kind of word of mouth. Basically, that's what it is. So let's say I want to now just so YouTube has a real problem with this. Now, I'm, I am a partner with YouTube, but I have to stress this out. If you send anybody anywhere, it's not allowed. It's against the community guidelines. I get that. I've been banned. I've been blocked. I've had strikes. I've had everything. Realistically, I don't do it intentionally. I'm thinking there's more than one website on the entire planet, and I understand the companies work really, really, truly hard to get the customers. I understand that, but I'm saying there's more than one available. So I'm saying you're not stuck in one single fishbowl. I'm saying you can go everywhere and anywhere. I'm saying it's hard to find some really kind of good, honest, true content. It really is. As I said, on my entire channel, no matter what it is, whatever you're looking at, it's all good, honest, true content. If I'm telling you to go somewhere, there's no bugs, no viruses, no trojan, no malware, no spyware, there's no nothing. Just a good honest link, that's all it is. And if there's an advert on it, I will tell you there's an advert on it. There's no advert on this link, there's really not. There's no spam, there's nothing like that. I'm saying, but everything that I show, everything that I share, as I said, okay, it might not be the best content on the planet. Really, I don't actually know if there's any such thing, but this content is to the best of my ability, and it's about as good as I can more or less do it. And I think if you're happy with it, absolutely fantastic, great. And if you're not, don't press that play button, just leave it and just carry on somewhere else. So, as I usually say, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe. Don't subscribe. Thanks very much if you're one of my subscribers. I really truly appreciate each and every one of you. As I said, in the future, I'm going to give a whole lot back, more than I get. I really will. So, stay with me and we'll see what happens in the future. Well, temporarily, enjoy the videos enjoy the downloads, enjoy the animations, and if you're young, have yourself a big pile of fun. See you soon.